today's digital era, children are surrounded by endless streams of information, making it increasingly difficult for them to concentrate in school. Parents and teachers often notice that students struggle to stay focused during lessons or while reading after school. This growing concern about attentional problems in elementary students has led researchers to explore effective ways to help kids improve their focus. In this video, we'll dive into a unique approach called fixation-focused training designed to boost attention skills in young learners. Let's start by understanding why attention is so crucial for academic success and daily life. Attention isn't just about sitting still or listening quietly. Experts break it down into 5 key dimensions: focused attention, sustained attention, selective attention, alternating attention, and divided attention. Each type plays a unique role in how children process information and respond to their environment. For example, focused attention helps a child respond directly to a teacher's question, while sustained attention allows them to concentrate on a task over time. Selective attention helps filter out distractions, alternating attention lets them switch between tasks, and divided attention enables multitasking. Understanding these types is the first step in helping students improve. Smartphones, tablets, and constant notifications, children today face more distractions than ever before. These digital temptations can make it harder for them to pay attention in class or complete homework. As a result, traditional learning methods may seem less engaging, and students' academic performance can suffer. This environment makes it essential to find new strategies to help kids build stronger attention skills, so they can thrive both in and out of the classroom. Fixation-focused training is a traditional method that asks students to concentrate on a single point for an extended period without blinking. The idea is to help them perceive small objects as larger, and to narrow their field of vision to just the item they're focusing on. This practice, rooted in ancient Chinese literature, is designed to strengthen both the mind and body, enhancing the ability to ignore distractions and maintain attention. Let's see how this method is applied in a modern classroom setting. Test the effectiveness of fixation-focused training. Researchers worked with 82 elementary school students in grades 5 and 6. The students were split into 2 groups, an experimental group that received the training and a control group that did not. Participation was voluntary, and both students and their parents had to give consent. This careful setup ensured that the results would accurately reflect the impact of the training on attention skill. Fixation-focused training program lasted for 12 weeks, with 1 session each week. Each session was about an hour long. During training, students were guided to focus their vision on a fixed point, such as their heart, palm, or fingertips. The activities included both dynamic movements and static meditation, helping students practice maintaining their attention in different ways. This blend of movement and stillness aimed to strengthen both their mental and physical focus. Dynamic focused training involved a series of movements where students had to keep their attention on specific body parts. For example, they might throw their hands backward while focusing on their heart, or kick their legs forward while concentrating on their waist. Other actions included squatting, stretching, and walking on tiptoes, each paired with a focus point like the abdomen, knees, or spine. These exercises help students learn to direct their attention even while moving. After the dynamic exercises, students practiced static focus training. They sat cross-legged, placed their hands on their knees, and closed their eyes lightly. The teacher guided them to focus their attention on different body parts in a specific sequence, such as the heart, stomach, and head. This quiet meditative practice helps students calm their minds and deepen their ability to concentrate, building on the skills developed during the dynamic activities. Track changes in attention. Researchers used the attention scales for elementary school children. This standardized questionnaire measures 5 attention dimensions and provides percentile rank scores. Students completed the scale before and after the 12-week training. The results gave a clear picture of how each type of attention changed, allowing researchers to see which areas improved the most. Experiment followed a clear process. First, students were briefed and gave consent. Next, they took a pretest to measure their baseline attention. The experimental group then participated in the 12-week fixation-focused training while the control group did not. After training, both groups took the post-test. This design allowed researchers to compare changes in attention between the 2 groups and see the true impact of the training. Researchers used paired sample t-tests and other statistical methods to analyze the data. They compared pretest and post-test scores within each group and also looked at the differences between the experimental and control groups. This rigorous analysis ensured that any improvements in attention could be confidently linked to the fixation-focused training, rather than chance or outside factors. Results were clear. Students who participated in fixation-focused training showed significant improvements in their total attention scores, as well as in focused and selective attention. The experimental group scores increased more than the control group, especially in the areas targeted by the training. These findings suggest that fixation-focused training is an effective way to help elementary students boost their attention skills. Among all the attention dimensions, focused attention and selective attention showed the greatest gains. Focused attention is the ability to respond directly to specific stimuli, while selective attention helps students ignore distractions. These improvements are especially valuable in busy classroom environments where students need to filter out noise and stay on task. The training helps students develop these crucial skills. After the training, students shared their experiences. Over half reported that they could concentrate better during school lessons. Nearly a third said they fell asleep faster at night, and others felt more relaxed or less stressed. Some even noticed relief from physical discomfort like chest pain. These personal stories highlight the broader benefits of fixation-focused training beyond just academic performance. There are many ways to train attention, from computer games and physical activities to meditation and neurofeedback. Fixation-focused training stands out because it combines both movement and mindfulness, helping students develop internal control over their attention. Unlike some methods that rely on external tools, this approach can be done anywhere, making it accessible and practical for schools. Fixation-focused training used in this study is similar to mindfulness meditation, which encourages present-moment awareness and non-judgmental observation. Its roots can be traced back to ancient Chinese practices, showing that timeless wisdom can still benefit modern students. By cultivating both mental energy and calmness, this training supports emotional well-being as well as cognitive skills. Beyond attention, students reported feeling more relaxed, less stressed, and better able to fall asleep. These benefits suggest that fixation-focused training may help regulate emotions and support overall health. Other research has found similar effects with meditation, such as lower heart rates and improved sleep quality. This makes fixation-focused training a valuable tool for both mind and body. Interestingly, both the experimental and control groups showed some improvement in their post-test scores. This could be due to a practice effect, where students become more familiar with the questionnaire after the first round. However, the experimental group's gains were significantly greater, confirming the added value of fixation-focused training. Study focused on typically developing elementary students, but future research could explore how fixation-focused training helps children with special needs, such as those with insomnia, learning disabilities, or mood disorders. Researchers are also interested in how this training affects working memory and brain activity, using tools like EEG or MRI. Expanding the program to older students could reveal even more benefit. Fixation-focused training is easy to implement in schools. It doesn't require special equipment, and sessions can fit into flexible class times or morning routines. Teachers can be trained to lead the exercises, and the activities can be done in any classroom with enough space for students to sit and move comfortably. Administrative support and consistent practice are key to success. In summary, fixation-focused training offers a simple yet powerful way to help elementary students improve their attention, emotional well-being, and even physical health. By combining ancient wisdom with modern research, schools can give students the tools they need to succeed in a world full of distractions. With regular practice and supportive teachers, every child can learn to focus better and thrive.